Ever pondered about the spiritual significance of the changing seasons? This enchanting world we inhabit is not just a random assortment of elements but a symphony of cycles and rhythms. One such rhythm is the sacred cycle of Wiccan Sabbats, a series of 8 seasonal festivals that mark key points in the agricultural and astronomical calendar. Each Sabbat is a time to celebrate the unique energies of the season, fostering a profound connection with the Earth's natural rhythms. From the rebirth of the sun at Yule to the bountiful harvests of Lammas, each Sabbat is a milestone on the wheel of the year, brimming with traditions, rituals, and spiritual significance. These festivals are not just dates on a calendar but opportunities to pause, reflect, and align our lives with the rhythm of nature. Now let's delve deeper into each Sabbat, starting with the Winter Solstice or Yule. As the wheel turns to the darkest day of the year, we celebrate Yule, the Winter Solstice. This is not a time of despair, but a moment of profound spiritual significance. As the sun takes its longest rest, we gather to honor the stillness and to revel in the quiet beauty of a world at sleep. Yule is a celebration of rebirth, a beacon of hope in the heart of winter. It marks the point when the days cease to shorten and the sun begins its journey back to us. We welcome this return with rituals that mirror the cyclical nature of existence. One of the most enduring traditions is the burning of the Yule log. This act symbolizes the ignition of the new solar year and the rekindling of hope within us. As the flames consume the log, we witness the triumph of light over darkness, warmth over cold. From the cold of winter, we move to the promise of spring with Embark. As the first signs of spring emerge, we honor the Sabbat of Embark. This is a time of awakening as the earth stirs from her winter slumber, and we begin to feel the growing power of the sun. Just as the seeds beneath the soil start their journey towards the light, so too do we embrace the promise of new beginnings and the potential of what's to come. Embark is celebrated with a variety of traditional activities, each imbued with symbolism and intent. Lighting candles, for example, is a common practice, representing the return of the sun's warmth and the light that guides us out of winter's darkness. We also craft Brigid's cross, a unique symbol woven from reeds or straw, embodying protection and prosperity for the coming year. This Sabbat is a gentle nudge, reminding us that even in the coldest winter, spring's promise of renewal is never far away. From the nascent warmth of Embark, we journey to the balance of light and dark at Ostara. As day and night balance at the Spring Equinox, we celebrate Ostara. This time of equilibrium is a joyous celebration, honoring the renewed fertility of the earth and the promising growth that lies ahead. Named after the Anglo-Saxon goddess of the dawn, Ostara embodies the very essence of spring, renewal, rebirth, and growth. In the heart of Ostara, we find traditions that celebrate life's resurgence. One such tradition is the decorating and gifting of eggs, an enduring symbol of fertility and new beginnings. This ritual honors the Earth's awakening from its winter slumber, mirroring the emergence of new life in nature. Another symbolic figure associated with Ostara is the hare. Revered for its fecundity, the hare is a potent symbol of abundance and fertility, reflecting the Earth's burgeoning vitality as winter recedes and spring claims its reign. From the vibrant energy of Ostara, we turn to the fire and passion of Beltane. As nature blossoms in full swing, we ignite the fires of Beltane. This vibrant festival, celebrated on the 1st of May, marks the peak of spring and the anticipation of summer's warmth. Beltane is a joyous celebration of life's fertility, a time when the earth is teeming with vibrant flowers and the promise of fruitful harvests. The jubilation of Beltane is often symbolized by the traditional maypole dance. The intertwining of the ribbons represents the union of the god and goddess, a divine balance that nurtures the earth and its creatures. Another cherished Beltane tradition is the lighting of bonfires. These fires serve as a beacon, guiding us toward the light and warmth of the forthcoming summer months. They also symbolize the power of transformation, as the old is consumed by the flames and makes way for the new. From the fires of Beltane, we journey to the height of the sun's power at Letha. At the peak of the sun's journey, we bask in the glory of Letha, the Summer Solstice. This is a time of immense joy and celebration, an occasion to honor the sun at its zenith, the longest day of the year. Letha embodies the triumph of light, the very essence of the summer season. It's a time when nature is at its most vibrant, its bounty ripe and plentiful. The earth is bathed in sunlight, the days are warm and long, and the nights are short and sweet. Traditionally, Wiccans celebrate Letha with bonfires, symbolizing the sun at its peak. The fires are a reflection of the sun's power, its warmth, and its life-giving energy. Feasting is also an integral part of the festivities. Tables are laden with the season's produce, a testament to the earth's generous offerings. From the peak of summer, our journey through the wheel of the year continues. Join us in future videos as we explore the remaining Sabbats. Our journey through the Wiccan Sabbats offers a profound connection with the natural world. From the Winter Solstice's promise of renewal to the Spring Equinox's celebration of balance, each Sabbat is a unique and sacred time. The fires of May ignite passion and creativity, while the Summer Solstice revels in the full bloom of life's abundance. These are not just dates on the calendar, they're spiritual milestones, marking key points in the agricultural and astronomical year. These celebrations honor the natural rhythms of the earth, reminding us of our intimate relationship with nature. They teach us to appreciate the cyclical dance of seasons, from growth to harvest, from rest to rebirth. Embracing these Sabbats offers an enriching path towards spiritual growth and self-discovery. And remember, this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for our future explorations into the rich traditions and spiritual significance of the Wiccan Sabbats. Until then, blessed be.